Some vehicles are made for the road, others are built for adventure, but this is a masterpiece, a one-of-one Land Rover Defender 110, crafted by E.C.D Automotive Design. To be as unique as your journey, E.C.D doesn't build ordinary vehicles. We redefine them, transforming timeless icons into bespoke works of art, engineered for both luxury and performance. Step inside and the craftsmanship speaks for itself. Every stitch, every finish, every hand-selected material is designed around you. Whether you crave refined luxury, rugged utility, or a seamless blend of both, E.C.D delivers. And beneath this beauty beats the heart of a beast, a 6.2-litre LT1 V8 engine, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission for seamless shifting and relentless power. This Defender doesn't just drive, it dominates. From the scorching Arizona sands to jagged red rock trails, this Defender was made to thrive where others fear to tread. With advanced suspension and 18-inch LR sawtooth wheels, it handles the untamed wilderness with absolute confidence. This is off-roading at its finest, raw, untamed and exhilarating. At E.C.D Automotive Design, no two Defenders are the same. Every build starts with a vision, your vision. From paint colour and interior materials to performance tuning and cutting-edge technology, we create a vehicle that is distinctly yours. Your journey begins with a dream. We bring it to life.